Good morning, Trade Show Chronicles. Dennis Taylor here at TRE. This is the running event here in San Antonio, Texas. Got my guys here starting lay the carpet. So I'm going to swing around. You guys start see our process start here. Here we go. Got Pedro, Jesse Jr., and Joe doing their thing here. Day one, installation, TRE 2025, San Antonio, Texas. Black Ops Pro Services, doing what we do, Trade Show Chronicles. Good morning, Trade Show Chronicles. I got Show Services. Dennis Taylor here. I'm heading out of my hotel this morning. Short walk to the convention center. Last day of second and final day of install. Should be a quick one. Should be just a around mini. But yeah, yesterday was successful. First day of install went magnificent. Clients are happy, which is happy projects. And the client itself. So, good day. A little brisk, cold here this morning in San Antonio. But I have a short, like 10-minute walk to the convention center. So it's literally right down the street in front of me here. But I just wanted to let you guys know this is the last day of the install. I will be flying out of here back to Vegas later this evening. So, day two install for TRE 2025. San Antonio, Texas, Trade Show Chronicles. We're doing what we do. You'll be able to see the convention center in the distance there. And that smoke is coming up. As you can see, we're walking over that way. IMAX, all the restaurants, and I'm in a great location, man. I love it. I stay here all the time. I come in the same hotel because it's close to everything. Riverwalk, the Alamo. I might swing by the Alamo again later today before I leave if I have time. Here it is, folks, the Henry Gonzalez Convention Center. There's this old Denny's over there where I eat sometimes because it's real close to the venue. And I get my discount. Last night, took Daniel to dinner, my client from Happy Project, took him over to Cafe Rio. Casa Rio. Good food, good Mexican restaurant. Good Mexican restaurant there. Down by Riverwalk. Plenty of nice eateries around here, folks. Let's be clear, it's cold this morning. See, it was cold last night too. Welcome back from the restaurant. Freezing. There you go, folks. The convention center. And of course, there's light here from the Grand Hyatt. Bus a left for Louis. And head on in there. I'm gonna catch back with you guys later. For now, Trade Show Chronicles out. Okay guys, I'm gonna walk around a little bit, let you see the running event going up here. This is the Brooks booth. Come around the back of it, so excuse the darkness. So anyway, let you guys see some of this. Just walking. I have other boxes. The floor. We have a regular pavilion on this show, man. I'm gonna spin around here so you can see it better. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. See what I mean? So they have this big doohickey over here. Then they also have these offices. So over here, got Lululemon. Just going around. You guys see some of this stuff here. My guy's on break, so I'm just gonna show you guys some of this in progress. This Merrill Solomon. He used to build the Merrill booth years ago at Outdoor Retailers. We're gonna come back this way toward Merrill Osprey. I'm trying to catch the Merrill here in a minute. We used to do a super large Merrill booth back in the day. It took us like 5-6 days to build that sucker too. It was huge. I think King is over here somewhere too. Like the King booths. They're always cool. King shoes. Yep, I see it over there. 1 year they had a 3D shoemaking machine that was printing 3D shoes. Actually, that was so cool. I got a few pair of King sandals that day. Speaking of King, that's the boot space right here. Solomon, Merrill. Skechers running. Solomon makes some nice shoes, folks. There's my booth over there. FootBalance, New Balance over in the corner. We got Nike back over here too. Let me slide by. That's our booth right there. New Balance. There's a Adidas over here. You got Nike Run, you got Nike All Condition gear over there. So just show you guys around a bit. You can see what you see. Quick little tour for you guys as this bad boy goes in. Day 2 install. Day 3 for some companies, but day 2 for most of us. This show will open mañana, tomorrow, Wednesday. I'll be back in Vegas. All right, guys. Trade Show Chronicles, Black Ops Show Services. As always, Black Ops out.